Hello, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching from all over the world. You're welcome to today's Voice of Chart session where together we analyze crypto chart, right? Of course, make informed decision with it, right? By the way, my name is Clinton Onos with Market Salam. As always, Market Salam is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time you've seen this channel, you're welcome, friends. You're welcome. As we proceed, you can smash the like button, of course, turn on the notification bell to get all important information on the go. Just so you know, nothing you will see found in this stream should be construed as financial, legal, or tax advice. Always do your own research. Today, we'll be taking a close look at 5 charts, right? Before that, we'll review previous charts, and of course, we'll do Q&A, right, before the end of the session. If you have any question, the chat box is open. Please, you can always send me your questions, and of course, I hope I will be able to respond, and of course, also learn from your own observation of view. All right, the technique we'll be applying here is price action technique. So you can expect the utilization of more other school of thought as well, because this is the conglomeration of knowledge, right? Without boring you with more details, let's go straight to the business of today. All right, friends. So let's start with reviewing. There are a lot of things I would really want us to review, but time will not permit because we have agenda for today, right? I just want to point out that if you hit to my call for taking trade off this level, right, when it broke, it didn't. I was expecting this retest. There was no retest, so I told you guys that probably this might be going straight to hit. Of course, this was enhanced by the news that Staple Center, right, will be renaming to Crypto.com. That's a very bullish one for Crypto.com. Of course, it shoots up almost immediately rather than giving us a retracement. Of course, I'm glad I was able to tell some of you guys that your profits can take up to like 30% profit, which is currently at my take profit level. Another one is there, but I would like you to scale out, right? Take out some profits necessary. It's necessary, friends. Take out some profits, right? Because the retracement of any move is it's inevitable. It must happen. Of course, it will happen. When it will happen is what we don't know, but don't get caught when it happened. That is what I am trying to avoid. Is there any other thing I spoke about that I would like to point out? Okay, of course, yeah, from OMG network currently at the demand level, so my likely see price coming to fill this gap here, right? Because I expect a further it might come here to fill and keep going down, but that might not likely happen if Bitcoin breaks right to up to like 60 to 70 to 80k to 90k as we're expecting. So this might likely. So the target is still very much live, right? 35. So look out for that. Maker, of course, is continuing this move upward. Target is still very much 6k, right? The 6,000 we targeted at the previous low, 6,000. Then you can see we did not target it. Okay, I think I estimated it for short term. When it broke here, retest. Of course, there are other charts that are following what I expected. I told you that if this breaks down, it's going to come down, right? It's currently coming down. Of course, I see a huge, this looks like an order block, and of course this looks like a reversal. It's retesting this level, right around the equilibrium level of this move. So we'll likely see a continued movement for this. Please look at this. Looks like it's gonna continue without touching this trend line. So please look out for when the trend line is gonna break, right? This move. I don't want to like change it so I can use it for future reference. So I would like to leave everything intact for future reference. But here is what I told you to watch out for. Watch out for this break retest, and of course might likely give us a push, right? So that is an interesting one there to look at for my friends. Of course, this one is another good one to look out for. So let's go straight to the business of today. We start Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking for those of us who are just joining us for the first time, you might not understand what this is, right? I was just trying to point out that those who were live with me, one of these sessions, that this is a topical movement, right? A bullish movement where the price is making a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? Yeah, and of course, there's a mini break of structure, right? There's a bigger structure here. Might likely come, but there's a break of structure, and I'm looking that because this structure broke, might likely see price going to fill this region and come down if it wants to, right? It's very likely, it's very possible. Of course, I told you guys that I'm expecting price to come deeply at 52K, because if price goes to do that, it's not bad. But if price also find a support level, find support at the current level, it's also not bad. It's all good. Don't forget, our target is still come on, don't do that. Our target is still 98K to 100K. So we're still very bullish, right? Looks like it's forming a double bottom, but really, double bottom most times comes and take, well, that's mostly Forex, right? Likely come and do a final push to take out all the stuff here before the push. Might likely happen here. I have not experienced that though. I don't trade options, I don't trade futures, I don't trade margin, so I really don't pay attention to those, right? I basically trade spot, right? So I like minimizing risk to a reasonable extent. So that is it. Bitcoin is still very much likely to go give us a bull run, right? I told you guys in one of the sessions that if Bitcoin is likely, it is likely an expanding flat that is completing the overall retracement at ABC and push 1, 2, 1 of 3. This is obviously a retracement 2 of 3, like 1, 2, then 3 to go hit all the way here before we start talking about another deep retracement, if any. But for now, we are bullish. I hope we find support here and push further to our target. So be confident this is going to happen, right? Be very confident. All right, told you guys we're going to take a look at the DYDX Alice, right? Let's just start with the DYDX. This peak is randomly, right? So if you want us to look at any particular chart, why not? We can just go to the chart session, just type in the ticker or the full name of the project you want us to look at. We'll review together, right? I try as much as possible to pick out something that we pick opportunity from. Like this one is obviously an opportunity to consider, right? Not a financial advice, but this looks good for a go, right? The YDS looks good for a go. So if you want to take a deeper look at this whole retracement, right? You find out that okay, it looks like the manipulation is kind of over. The break of trend line, right? If you assume that the trend line followed China, of course, there's a breakout. That is not to say it's a go buy, right? There are other factors that made this a buy, right? Price started making series of higher lows, right? Higher lows, right? Higher lows, 1, 2, right? And of course, can contribute to a break of structure around this level, right? A break of structure around yes, last swing low, right? Lower high, lower low, or low, as the case may be. This is what I'm saying, right? Price goes to this level, right? Okay, let's we don't need to start from there. That's lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And of course, price is starting to make a series of right? There's a break now, so more likely see it go make a high, right? Higher high, right? Higher high, higher low, you know, stuff like that. And because there's a break of structure, though, more likely the price come fill this region for us before it moves up, right? This is it's not fair for price to just move out of this demand zone without coming to just try to, you know, to check it out. So might likely just come do the retest here and push up if he wants to. But this looks good. This looks good in my opinion, right? Not the financial advice, but the YDS. This push out, like when the YDS broke to this region, I told a lot of guys, right, inner circle friends, that not inner circle trader friends, right? Of course, that's one of my mentors, right? But I mean, inner circle, my close friends, I told them that there's no point rushing for the YDS. It's going to come back. But that's it, friends. That's the essence of this live broadcast. That's the essence of this, you know, helping you guys see what you ordinarily might not be able to see, right? Allow the price, no need to FOMO. Allow the price come to you. And you see the number of time it took, right? You see, this houses, the time houses is the retracement houses, of course, the impulse houses is the price houses, right? Because you can see moves very quickly and it take a longer time to retrace, right? So you can see it's breaking out. This is when a lot of people are frustrated already. Those who bought here, they are already in depression and all that. This is when everybody has given up, right? They are fearful of this. And then you buy for a target of 70, 60 to 70, right? This is a very simple mathematics that, you know, you shouldn't get caught in trying to cash moves that are insignificant, right? Guys, good moves. Just wait, be patient, and allow price to come give you nice stuff that you'll be proud you waited, right? That's the essence of trading, investing to make money, not coming here and getting frustrated by all this long move down. I know might not have the psychology required to wait, so that's why you need to wait for a retracement always, right? So this looks to go, even if you buy here and it comes deep, it's better than buying here and it comes deep to this level. So this is relatively better. If you buy here, it comes this deep, no problem, at least. But there's a break of structure here, like I pointed out. So might likely be that this whole move is finished, right? Because as time progresses, we will have to have a look. Of course, there are other indicators that are showing these are secondary data, right? That this move has broke. That means 1, 2, 3. That's retracement is completed. Of course, we should go see another impulse move for a theory around that level, right? So it's good. This one is good, friends. So can have a look. All right, chat boss, please head on to the chat session. Let me know what's up with you guys. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know your thoughts. Of course, smash the like button. If for any reason you want to give us a dislike, please let us know so I can improve, right? That's what life is all about. I need your feedback to keep moving on, right? Of course, I love you guys. So share with friends, family, neighbor, whatever. I appreciate it. I'm trying as much as possible to make this whole session every time 40 minutes. So trying to work with time. Share with friends, family, neighbor. All right, friends, another one. Alice my neighbor. Alice my neighbor is a nice project, right? Is it play to earn, right? Yeah, kind of Alice my neighbor. What category are you? Gaming, NFT, collectibles, metaverse, right? So at least my neighbor, in my opinion, is good, right? Relatively low. This whole region to me, I don't know how you look at it, right? This of course, this was an obvious distribution. Price came down, accumulation took place. Of course, a push up. A lot of investors thought it was okay. At least is a nice one. A lot of guys, a lot of folks joining here to push up this price. So it's really a roller coaster, right? I think it's gonna, of course, a lot of people saw it earlier than these guys. And of course, if you want to say, okay, you want to count wave, this looks like a completed circle, right? It is, right? A completed circle. Come on, don't do that. Completed circle, right? Is this, oh, come on. No, I want to point out completed. This looks like a completed circle. Of course, first leg of a move to another circle. The third leg we're anticipating. The fourth leg, fifth leg. We'll consider another deep retracement, right? So, according to Elliott wave, right? So, it looks good. It looks good, really. It looks good. So, if I if I just flip the low, right? The previous low, come on, since you have to go out. This low, and this high, from low to high, right? And check the retracement level, because it's nice one. A lot of accumulation took place here. Accumulation also took place here. Reaccumulation. So of course, this whole region is accumulation, so to say. I'm just trying to, right at 78% level. Of course, we should expect a price, if this previous high is legit, the price to go there. Even if it's not legit, that's around. If you know the drill, friends, you know what I look out for, right? So this is around the level I look out for. That's around 58K, $58. So $58 for Alice is not a bad one to give. So Alice, go give 58 for all of us, okay? Well, we are waiting to benefit from you, right? So friends, be confident, no need to panic, no need to fear, right? Everything is gonna go well. If you have question, Alice, any question at all, please just head on to the comment section, let me know what's up. All right, that's it. Let's look at what's this. PARSIQ PRQ. Okay, of course, you know the reference, you know how it is. This is self-obvious, and the whole lot of crypto industries. That's why I'm so particular about this industry, right? This is the right time for you to come in, right? It's really early, so take full advantage of all price discovery and catch a really good move for your family benefit, and of course for your own benefit. Okay, I hope you have a good future investing in crypto, right? Yeah, that's come to stay. It's about 2.7 or there, about 2.6 to 3 billion, 3 trillion industry already. So that's huge. That's not going to flush away like an erosion anytime soon, you can bet. So that's it, friends. Not a financial advice, but it's a good one. Completed circle, another completed circle, beginning of another circle, right? If fib is the last one, assume this is 1, this is 2. Of course, is the valid assumption. Of course, let your target be around, come on, don't do that. Your target be around roughly why is it doing this now? Target should be around $2.5, right? Target should be around this level, right? 2. Oh my god, that's 2.6 to 8, right? 0.6 to 2, let's say $3, right? So it's a good one. It's a good one to look out for. There's really not much to say about this. You can see for yourself. It's doing really well. Of course, price might likely come here to fill this gap, like it did come to our back to come fill this gaps, right? It might also even come lower, but I think it's going up already. I think yeah, this is 1, this is retracement A, B, C. Of course, if you go for a 3, whichever way you look at it, this is up, moving already. Of course, this confirmed by breaking, yeah, I don't see this little move doing a deeper retracement. Of course, it doesn't make sense. It is just a little move, and if I'm to fib that particular move, right, to see what's up, the level it retraced already. See that is the significant discounted level already. So yeah, this significant discounted level. So I don't expect you know what I mean, friends. I don't expect it to come break this, right? So just keep going up, and be a good boy, right? Be a good boy. All right, friends, you know how it is, you know what we do here. This is live chat session, right? Voice of chat. We're together on a live chat daily. All right, if you pick interest in what I'm doing, comes up 9 p.m. West African time, so keep a date and time. Of course, you can watch a replay of the video. If you cannot make it, of course, try to be around so you can ask questions, right? If there's another favorable time, if I have a statistical favorable time for you guys, can work out my time to fit for you guys. I'm here to serve you. I'm here to help you. Of course, here to help myself. As I teach these things, I kind of know more about it, right? Kind of opened, expand my knowledge, and so many things I thought I never knew, when I start teaching them, becomes clearer and all that. So it's a win-win situation. That's why I'm giving my time for this. All right, friends, I hope you're enjoying the session. If you are, smash the like button. I will appreciate. Subscribe if you haven't. Right, comment section, let me know what's up with you guys. If that is, let's go to Flux. Flux is trying to show muscle, right? Looks like this is another blog. Let me see if I can have details. Of course, looks like it's breaking structure. Well, don't know how patient you can be, but well, this is a little move. You can dollar cost average, but to me, I need to wait for retracement of this. Of course, better price is possible. It's coming to fill this gap. Fill this gap, right? There's a gap here, obviously, to fill. Right, price needs to come fill this gap. Obviously, it already came to fill this gap. Of course, it's leaving gap behind. Right, it makes sense that before it goes up, you come fill this gap, right? Of course, if you pay attention to details, this is a bigger structure that needs to come break, right? Okay, let's assume away this. Let's okay. This is a lower high. This is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Of course, you know how it is, friends. You know what we look out for. A breakup structure, right? Nice one, right? Because you don't have to chase price, so you can wait. Price might likely come retrace. A lot of orders are currently around this level, right? A lot of it, a lot of pressure. Price might likely react around this level to come give us a nice retracement. Move or spot, so it's trading spot, and if you're trading long term or even shorter term, like 3 months time frame, you really don't have to worry about this. You can just enter. When it drops, you enter again just in case it will, but it will, right? It's gonna drop, right? Nothing that goes up, everything that goes up surely comes down, right? So there's no need to panic. Right, price has left a footprint here that he obviously will come and fill anytime soon, right? There's so an obvious gap here for the price to come fill. It tried to come fill it, but it couldn't fill it adequately. Of course, underneath you have your other block, your demand zone, whatever you want to call it. It just makes sense that at least it comes wherever it goes, it comes at least 61%. Let's consider joining, right? But whatever it is, you can. After all, the move is still very much fresh, right? We are aiming for something huge. We are aiming for something huge, right? So when you are aiming for something huge, you should wait, right? Something huge around $7, so you should be able to wait, right? Should be able to wait, right? It is what it is, my friends. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. So you can wait, you can enter. Like those who saw this, who waited, they enter the better price. Of course, friends, you know how it is. They're already in profit, right? If it comes down again, they might likely be break even or probably just go lower. But if you buy here, if it goes deeper, that's probably how many percent down. Let's for the benefit of doubt, let's try to see if you buy here at the moment and it comes all the way to this demand zone. You lost 20%, right? That's 20% is huge, right? That if you buy in a very considerable price, you're already 20% off. You can be confident that, you know, of course, price is going to react no matter what. Price is going to react around this level. If it doesn't do that, can come close this gap before it come close this gap before. But whatever it is, whatever, however, right? Don't confuse yourself. If you want this, that's if you want this, right? A lot of people really don't want this kind of stuff, but sometimes this is where the money is, right? This is where the little guys can benefit, right? Bitcoin is saturated with the big boys, guys that are boys, men, whatever you can call them, women that have big money, big bank, right? Can see, might just be a fake breakout. Come before you do the real breakout, whatever we are watching, was there a break already? Whatever it is, a lot of stuff. It's good, it's good. It's good. Want to take advantage of this, by all means, please do. What's Flux about? I just pick this randomly. I really don't. What I do is I just go pick and I look at it. If it's nice, I just see a way I can take advantage of it, right? So that's it. It is what it is, my friends. The new director of scalable decentralized cloud. Wow, nice one. Infrastructure, simply develop, manage, found your application on multi-server at once. Nice one. They're trying to solve a storage problem, but right? Of course, a good one. A good one, not bad. Not bad. Right, not bad. What do I have here? Already 7,000% up. Still not bad. It's wow, nice one. Mass supply is around 450 million, 440 million plus. Exactly. Nice one. Capital, wow, capital is still low. Market cap is still below billion, so we'll expect upward potential, right? I'll go check out this later to see how I can, because I'll wait for this to see how I can now. I can join. All right, I can join the league of guys that's going to benefit a lot from that one. All right, friends, Q&A. If you have any question, I can see there is no question. Let's review some of the charts yesterday, right? I told you yesterday that don't go buy Gala, right? Don't go. That's what I said. Told you guys. I gave you reasons why you shouldn't, right? Told you my target for Gala. Already, let me drop to higher, right? Told you my price target. It doesn't mean that it will price will stop there. Price might likely, you know, pick up again, right? Of course, it can, but that's what I look out for, right? Told you my target is usually here. I want to be aggressive. I'll take out from there. If it's going up, I'll take out from here. At the moment, distribution is going on. Whether you like it or not, distribution is going on, right? They distributed right here. This looks like a bearish order block, exhaustion, or whatever you might call it, the exhaustion. You know, after this push, what happened next? Why did this, if this whole push was buying pressure, why did this drop almost 100%? Right? It's exhaustion. It's exhaustion, right? It's exhausted, right? Push up, boom, 100% retracement. He tried to push. He could not push again another 100%. And now he broke the up move structure. You can see the break at this moment. So distribution, baby, currently going on. Distribution, baby. If I switch to a bar chart, because you can see that's why I love bar chart, right? Because price was marked up, buying climbers, okay, might likely go back for whatever. That is distribution, right? If I assume that this is buying climax is automatic retracement, I can go give you ST, come give you another ST probably, come give you a UT, right? There's what's UT? UT is pop trust, right? Because go give you third break structure, come down, give you another up trust, right? Then can see why curve unfolding around this level of distribution. The distribution, baby, of course, I might be wrong. They might just be another news saying blah blah blah, and of course you find out that this whole region is actually accumulation, not distribution. But whatever it is, I'm smart enough to track their movement, and of course I'm smart enough to take profit where to buy. I had no gala, right? I didn't buy any gala. If I had bought gala, I'm already selling, right? Putting some money in my bank, right? You drop down, I buy more. That's how you make money. You accumulate wealth. Okay. All right. That's it. It's not. There's nothing to hide here, right? It's obvious. It's what you can see. What I can see. So let's look out for a retracement of that move. All right, we still have how many minutes we have left? Still have about 5 minutes, right? So please, if you have comments, let me know in the comment chat box. I appreciate, guys. Please smash the like button for me, right? It's you are the reason why I'm here, so I want to be feeling you. All right, FTX, right? Nice one. Because you don't need anybody to tell you that this is gonna push up, right? Is there any gap that need to be filled really? Are they significant? They looks like price really just chop them up, right? Okay, boom. There's really no one that I can see that is that should give us a concern, right? There's no one around it. So come on, what's that? There's no one around that region, right? Because I see accumulation here. They distributed around this region to accumulate. Distributed to accumulate. Let's have a push, a break of this. We should see 100. What's the target for this? Okay, 160, right? What? Right? Okay. What's the target for this? Can't recall. I think this shifted already. Right? Okay. I think this is it. It's around 160 to 220, right? All right. So 160 to 20. Let me note it for future reference. Okay. All right. So that is it. All right, friends. Appreciate your time. If you have any comments, you know what to do. Let me know. If you have any question, you know what to do. Right. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Okay, that's the most we can take today. I appreciate your time. Remember to keep a date, 9 p.m. West African time. You know how it is, you know how we do it. I appreciate to have you on board. Let's discuss the chat. Before you sign up, my friends, smash the like button for me. Subscribe, share this to friends, family, neighbor, whatever. I can't wait to have a full house so we'll have discussion, right? I love it. That's what I wish. That's what I hope for. That's what I pray for. All right.